Today we are going to learn the next part of the circle, arc of circle and measure of an arc, and some important theorem. आज आपण वर्तुळ या प्रकरणामधील पुढील भाग वर्तुळ कंसाचे माप आणि त्यावर आधारित महत्त्वाची प्रमेय यांचा आज अभ्यास करणार आहोत. First, we have to understand the concept of arc of circle, वर्तुळ कंस. Arc of circle. A secant divides a circle into two parts. वर्तुळाची छेदिका वर्तुळाला दोन भागात विभागते. This is a circle with center C. Secant K divides circle into two parts. The parts AXK is a one part and second part is AYB. Secant K intersect to circle at point A and B. Circle divided into two parts, AXB and AYB are two parts. Each part is said to be arc of circle. Therefore, any one of these two parts and the common point of the circle and the secant constitute an arc of the circle. It is said to be arc of circle. वर्तुळाची वृत्तछेदिका वर्तुळाला दोन भागात विभागते. या प्रत्येक भागाला वर्तुळ कंस म्हणतात. AXB हा एक वर्तुळ कंस आहे आणि AYB हा दुसरा वर्तुळ कंस आहे. In a circle with center C, due to secant K, we get two arcs of the circle with center C. Arc AXB and arc AYB are arc of circle. This is the first arc AYB and this is the second arc AXB shown in this figure. Out of these two arcs, one is a major arc and other is a minor arc. First you learn the major arc, Vishal Vartul Kaus. If the center of circle is on one side of the secant, then the arc on the side of the center is called major arc. वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू ज्या भागामध्ये आहे त्या भागातील जो कंस आहे त्या कंसाला लघुकंस असे म्हणतात. In this figure, the C is a circle, center of circle lie on the side arc AYB. Therefore, in a figure, arc AYB is a major arc. म्हणून कंस AYB ला विशाल कंस म्हणतात. Minor arc. If the center of circle is not one side of the secant, then the arc on the side of the center is called minor arc. In this figure, K is a secant. On the side, the center of circle is not present. Therefore, arc AXB, this arc is said to be minor arc. वृत्तछेदिकेच्या ज्या बाजूला वर्तुळ केंद्र नसते त्या बाजूचा कंस हा लघु कंस असतो. इन फिगर arc AXB is minor arc. The point of intersection of circle and secant are called the end point of the arc. In this arc AYB, the point A and B are end point of arc AYB. And in this arc AXB, The point A and B are end point of an arc. This is the explanation of the end point in this figure. In arc AXB, the point A and B are endpoints of arc AXB. And in arc AYB, the point A and B are also endpoint of arc AYB. Write down. Next concept is a central angle, Kendriya Koon. First, understand the central angle. O is a center of circle. When the vertex of an angle is the center of circle, it is called central angle. ज्या कोनाचा शिरोबिंदू वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू असतो त्या कोनाला केंद्रीय कोन असे म्हणतात. In this figure, in a circle with center O, this angle AOB, the vertex of angle is O and O is the center of circle. Therefore, vertex of angle is the center of circle. Hence, angle AOB is a central angle. O केंद्र असलेल्या वर्तुळामध्ये कोन AOB चा शिरोबिंदू O आहे आणि तो वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू आहे, म्हणून कोन AOB ला केंद्रीय कोन म्हणतात. In figure, vertex angle AOB is a O. It is center of circle. Therefore, angle AOB is a central angle. Like secant and a central angle also divide a circle into two arcs. The central angle AOB divides circle into two parts, arc APB and arc AQB. Therefore, arc AQB is major arc and the arc APB is minor arc. Due to central angle also form the two arcs, major arc and minor arc. Measures of an arc, कंसाचे माप. When you know the measures of a circle is 360 degree. First point, when you remember, measure of complete circle is 360 degree. पूर्ण वर्तुळाचे अंशात्मक माप 360 अंश असते. And the measure of semicircular arc is 180 degree. आणि अर्धवर्तुळाचे अंशात्मक माप 180 अंश असते. Then to find the measure of major arc and minor arc. Measure of minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. वर्तुळ कंसाच्या लघु कंसाचे माप त्याच्या संगत केंद्रीय कोना एवढे असते. In this figure, the angle AOB is a measure of central angle and its corresponding minor arc is a APB. Therefore, the measure of minor arc APB is equal to measure of central angle. In figure, measure of angle AOB is equal to measure of arc APB. Therefore, the measure of minor arc is equal to measure of corresponding central अँगल. लघु कंसाचे माप त्याच्या संगत असणाऱ्या केंद्रीय कोनाच्या मापा एवढे असते. अँड मेजर ऑफ मेजर आर्क. आता विशाल कंसाचे माप, the measure of complete circle is 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc is equal to measure of major arc. विशाल कंसाचे माप म्हणजे 360 अंश कोनातून या विशाल कंसाच्या संगत लघु कंसाचे माप. 360 वजा संगत लघु कंसाचे माप. Therefore, measures of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Congruence of arc. कंसाची एकरूपता. We know the congruence of arc. Already you have to learn in a 8th or 9th standard. The congruent figure. एकरूप आकृत्या कशाला म्हणतात? When two coplanar figure coincide with each other, they are called congruent figure. जेव्हा दोन एकप्रतलीय आकृत्या एकमेकांसारख्या असतात किंवा त्या एकमेकींना जुळतात, अशा आकृत्यांना आपण कॉन्ग्रुएंट फिगर, एकरूप आकृत्या असे म्हणतो. Here this is a given triangle and this is a other triangle. When these two triangles are coincide each other, then such two figures are said to be congruent figure. This is a first yellow color triangle is coincide to the red color triangle. Then two figures are congruent figure. Also, you know the congruent angle. एकरूप कोण. Measure of two angles are equal, then such two angles are said to be congruent angle. जेव्हा दोन कोणाची मापे समान असतात तेव्हा त्या दोन कोणांना एकरूप कोण असे म्हणतात. Similarly, then we have to learn the congruence of arc. दोन कंस केव्हा एकरूप असतात. Congruent arcs means in this figure, in a concentric circle with center O, हे दोन वर्तुळे एक केंद्रीय वर्तुळे आहेत. दोन्ही वर्तुळाचा केंद्रबिंदू O आहे, म्हणून त्यांना कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल असे म्हणतात. इन दिस फिगर is angle AOB and angle EOF congruent. Angle AOB and angle EOF हे दोन कोण एकरूप आहेत का? Yes. Why? Two angle have same measures. Angle AOB is equal to 70 degree and angle EOF is equal to also 70 degree. Therefore, these two angles are congruent. Second question 1. Is arc AB and arc EF are congruent? Is arc AB, this arc, and arc EF are congruent? Yes or no? No. Why? They not coincide. It is not congruent because the length of arc AB and the length of arc EF are not equal. Therefore, arc AB and arc EF are not congruent. Which condition to satisfy to show the two arcs are congruent? Because two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii आर इक्वल. जेव्हा दोन कंस एकरूप असतात तेव्हा त्या कंसाचे कोन आणि त्या वर्तुळाच्या त्रिज्या समान असाव्या लागतात. Therefore, such two arcs are congruent arc. In figure, the arc AB and arc QP, two arcs are congruent because measure of central angle is the same and radii of inner circle is also same. Therefore, arc AB is a congruent arc QP. Arc CD is the congruent arc F because the measure of angle and the radii of circle are same. Therefore, congruent arcs is said to be two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Write down. Property of sum of measures of arc. कंसाच्या बेरजेचा गुणधर्म. दोन कंसाची बेरीज करणे. First you learn the sum of measures of arcs. दोन कंसाची बेरीज. In figure, the points A, B, C, D, E, F are concyclic. In this figure, the point A, B, C, D, E and F are concyclic point. ही जे दिलेली बिंदू A, B, C, D, E, F आहेत हे बिंदू चक्रीय बिंदू आहेत म्हणजे एका वर्तुळावर आहेत. फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट्स फॉर मेनी आर्क्स, या बिंदूपासून त्या कंसावरील अनेक कंस तयार होतात. आर्क ए बी, आर्क ए बी सी, आर्क बी सी, आर्क बी डी सी, आर्क बी ए एफ. देर आर मेनी आर्क्स फॉर्म्ड from this point on the circle. There is one and only one common point. Here is one and only one common end point in two arcs. Such two arcs are sum of measures of arc. दोन कंसाची बेरीज करताना दोन्ही कंसाचा एक एक तरी बिंदू हा अंत्यबिंदू हा कॉमन असला पाहिजे. म्हणजे दोन कंसाची बेरीज करताना दोन्ही कंसाचा एक तरी अंत्यबिंदू सामायिक असला पाहिजे तरच त्या दोन कंसाची बेरीज करता येते. इन दिस फिगर, arc ABC and arc CDE. This is the arc ABC and arc CDE. In these two arcs, the end point of arc ABC are A and C, and the end point of arc CDE are C and E. Therefore, point C is end point of both arc and it is common end point. Therefore, the arc ABC and arc CDE are sum. Therefore, sum of arc ABC and CDE, then we get arc ACE. Arc ACE is sum of measure of arc ABC and arc CDE. कंस ABC आणि कंस CDE या दोन कंसापैकी दोन्ही कंसाचा अंत्यबिंदू C कॉमन आहे म्हणून अशा दोन कंसाची बेरीज करता येते. Therefore, arc ABC plus arc CDE is equal to arc ACE. म्हणून त्या दोन कंसाची बेरीज arc ACE आहे. आता the name of arc ACE or arc ABE or arc ADE. Take any name of the arc, but end point A and E is important. Take any one point between them. Arc ABE is the same arc ACE. Which arc is a sum of arc BCD and arc FED? Arc BDF or arc FDB or arc BCF. Take any one arc is the sum of arc BCD and arc FED. Second question is sum of two arc ABC and arc DEF phi. No, because there is no any one endpoint common in arc ABC and arc DEF. Best of luck. यशस्वी होण्यासाठी सोमनाथ गीते मॅथ एक्सपर्ट या चॅनलवरील यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ पहा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. तुमच्या कर्तृत्वान यशस्वी हाताने सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. थँक्यू.